one of the things that we see a lot of issues this time of year with is loss of heat. Your best thing that you can do right now, either get yourself a cheap thermal camera, you can get them on Amazon, or actually have somebody come in, do a thermal imaging. If you think you're losing your heat and your house is not actually heating like it's supposed to be, you could be losing heat through some gaps around your doors and windows, which would be a great time if you have rounded D-locks and flat trim to get you some log gap caps and actually get some energy seal and caulk over that. Or actually have your heat and AC guy come out and take a look at your unit to make sure that it's actually heating correctly, because you're actually supposed to have yearly checks done on those. And I know that I used to be very neglecting of my AC and heat unit, and I didn't do anything with, and it came back to bite me. So that's one of the things that you probably want to look for. So keep that in mind as well as we get into these colder months. Hey y'all, if you don't mind, take a moment, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out a lot, and we greatly appreciate it.